Are you dreaming of embarking on a solo adventure? In this video, we will share essential solo travel tips that every Wanderluster should know. Whether you are a seasoned traveler or a novice, these tips will help you make the most out of your solo journey. The first tip for solo travel is to plan your itinerary carefully. Research your destination, find out about local customs and traditions, and make a list of must-visit places. Make a flexible schedule that allows you to explore at your own pace and have enough time for rest and relaxation. When traveling alone, safety should be your top priority. Stay informed about the safety situation at your destination, keep your important documents secure, and take necessary precautions. Always trust your instincts and be aware of your surroundings. Packing light is a golden rule for solo travelers. You don't want to be burdened with heavy bags while navigating new cities or towns. Choose versatile clothing, pack travel-sized toiletries, and invest in a good quality backpack. Remember, less is more when it comes to packing for solo travel. One of the beauties of solo travel is the freedom to engage in activities that truly interest you. Embrace solo activities like hiking, photography, or exploring local markets. It's an opportunity to discover your passions and get to know yourself better. A great way to enhance your solo travel experience is by connecting with locals. Engage in conversation, learn about their culture, and try their cuisine. Locals can provide valuable insights and make your journey more authentic. While you may be traveling alone, it's important to stay connected with your loved ones. Inform them about your itinerary and check in regularly. Carry a reliable communication device and keep emergency contacts handy. Finally, embrace the unknown and be open to new experiences. Solo travel allows you to step out of your comfort zone and discover the world in a unique way. Embrace the challenges and savor the moments of self-discovery.